going on, Pop Vultures? What up?
They only got these today.
I can't even talk. These cats are over here, man. Welcome to another episode of Pop Vultures. Got my mini vultures in the house. Hey, what's up, y'all?
What's up? What do you call mini vultures?
You guys, you're little. You're small like me. You know what I'm saying? You're little mini vultures. Yeah, you getting tall and stuff, man. Yeah.
I'm almost tall.
Man. But today we're going to do an unboxing. Today I took my ass to GameStop. They had these right here on clearance for $2.47. You buy one and you get the other one for free. So we ended up getting almost a whole box. We got 2 Thor Ragnarok ones, and then everything else is from the Justice League movie. As you can see right here, one of them was opened already, but that's okay because we still got a bunch to unbox over here. So without further ado, we just want to let these kids go crazy with these boxes. You know what I'm saying? But before we get crazy with these boxes, guys, which ones do you guys want from the wave?
I just want this exclusive right now.
Which one?
Huh?
I think I want this one.
You want Bruce? How about you, Chris? Which one do you want?
I think I want him.
Who's that? Who's that?
Barry!
Barry?
Show
Who
him.
is Barry?
Show him.
Barry Allen! Boom to the house!
All right, but he's who? Who is he? They talk to the camera.
Flash. The Flash goes really fast and he punches Zoom every day.
All right, kids. So you know what? Let me start off with just one. Can I open one? This one was already open. When I went to the store, it was open. I bought it anyway. It came out free. Somebody looked like they went into the store and they just opened it and just left it there.
Probably want to get it.
But I didn't look at it. But let's check it out. So anyway, let me show you the front of the box. The front of the box, that's the Justice League from the movie. A lot of people didn't like the movie. Didn't like the characters. Some people did. A lot of mixed feelings. But you know what, man? You can't go wrong with the Justice League. I mean, to the movie itself, to me, was a little weak. You know, I have mixed feelings about it.
I feel like it was like a quick movie.
It was real quick. I think the movie felt like kind of rushed, right?
I was sleeping.
Yeah, he fell asleep. He didn't even watch the movie. But his favorite character is the Flash. My favorite character is this man right here, Batman. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully you cats can get Batman from the back. That's the back of the box. But I think the Flash is the exclusive, as well as who's that? Who's the dude down here?
I think that's one of the Guardians from Aquaman.
That's one of the dudes from Aquaman, and then the other exclusive is the Flash over there. So these are mystery minis by Funko. Let's open these boxes up. You know what I'm saying? Let my dudes have fun with them. But hold on, before we do that, let me get this one out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, somebody opened in the store. I don't know who it is though. Oh. Got Cyborg right there, pretty dope.
Who didn't want Cyborg?
Yeah, you can see him.
Cyborg is regular, but nice.
Can I open him? Can I open
Go ahead, my dudes. One at a time. Take your time. Show the camera what you guys open and find.
Oh, I'm picking up.
And have fun with it, my people.
Wow.
Pop vultures. We opening boxes. What you got there?
Aquaman.
Nice. You got Aquaman.
Smell that.
You smell that. All right.
Not
So
that good,
let's
but
line
it's
them up.
fine.
Let's line them up right there.
Let me get one of the doors so I can be careful.
Yeah, Chris.
No, I got one. That one's yours. And the other one's mine.
I'm wishing myself. That's why I closed my eyes. Huh?
All right. Let me help you with that. Okay, a little tear right here. Little tear. Let me help him out because these things be tough for the little ones. Here, see what you got. You got another Aquaman? Come on, man.
Wonder Woman.
I have Wonder Woman.
Whoa. What's his name? I forgot his name. But he's the Guardian, the one that goes.
Wonder Woman!
Nice. Show the camera, y'all. Show the camera.
The one that guards what's the thing called?
I forgot, man. It's like a portal, right? It's like a portal.
Yeah, let's put the portal right there.
Pretty dope. So, guys, talk about the details on these joints when y'all open them, man. Let them know, man.
Alright.
Y'all get so excited, you just want to open boxes, run through them. You know what I'm saying?
I'm excited, alright? Oh. So it says exclusive. Or does it say on all of the boxes?
You got what?
Oh, it says on all of the boxes exclusive.
Oh, yeah, it says it on all the boxes. Let me open
I
a
just
little bit.
noticed that.
So this one right here is from Thor Ragnarok. We got 2 from Thor Ragnarok. You know what I'm saying? Who would you like to get from Thor Ragnarok?
I wanted Thor.
Thor? Let's see if you get lucky. I don't know.
Oh my god.
I think I got it with the jacket. I got it with the jacket.
That's the Aquaman, right? With the
Yeah.
jacket.
Look at the details right here. Yes, it's like kind of brownish and then gray right here. And then
Gray. That's
Yeah,
like blonde. Like dirty blonde.
Oh man.
Line them up, line them up. All right. Let's see.
Yeah, I don't think I could fit all boxes. Excuse me. Sorry.
Mystery minis. How you like mystery minis, yo?
Good.
I love
Yeah.
them. Fun.
So fun.
Let me help you.
No, I got
You
it.
got it? All right.
Either who wants to do with that?
Me too.
Excuse me, bro.
Oh.
He got married.
A berry Allen.
You got Barry? Nice. With the
Berry
backpack?
Allen.
You got Barry with the backpack?
Yeah.
Dope. Line them up, line them up.
Oh
right
my
here.
God! Look at this right now.
Line 'em
I'm
up.
going Aquaman crazy. Look at this.
Another Aquaman? Oh, he got his mother, right? Is that
Yeah.
Ella? Is that her name? Ella?
Yeah. Man, I'm going crazy with Aquaman. Loved it. Loved it. Anything from the Justice League I love.
I'm getting kind of mad right now. I'm not seeing no Batman.
Yeah.
I'm getting kind of mad.
Me too. If this one's not Batman, why would we buy it?
I'm getting kind of mad.
I hope the last one's Batman. I hope that one has the armor suit Flash.
Wait a minute. Who did I get? Another one? Do I have
Stephen King.
Steppenwolf. The bad guy. Nice.
Woo! Okay, this one has to be Batman.
Nice. Steppenwolf.
Flash!
Oh.
That one's mine.
Yo, he claimed that
Okay,
joint.
wait,
He
the last- wait,
said,
the
yo,
last
that's
one.
fine.
I was about to open
Wait, the last
No, he got to open the last one because you just opened one and you snatched this one from his hand. So that's yours, right?
Yeah, this is
Alright, so let him open
That's
that
mine.
one.
This is
Okay,
mine.
ready? This one has to be
It
Batman.
has to be.
Has to be.
If it's not Batman, kid, I don't know.
That's for the bag.
Don't feel the bag. Just open it. Come on.
Just in case.
Just open it, bro.
I'm scared. I don't think I know who this is. Okay, I got a hole. Please be Batman. Please be Batman. Yeah!
Boom.
Yes!
Batman got Flash.
Yes! Even though it's not armor suit, it's still good.
That's still Batman, right? Let me see.
Perfect.
They got a different one.
Yeah, it's exclusive to one.
Well, that Batman is not even on here. See, because you got just the armored Batman, but that one is not even here. So you know what? That might be a chase. Hey, if it's not on the back right here, that gotta be a chase. That's not even on the back.
Yes!
Let me see that chase.
Balls.
Dad,
Balls.
Daddy, I got the new Flash.
That's the chase Batman. It gotta be. It's not even on here, y'all. Check that out. Pretty dope.
Yup.
Come over here. It's not over. What you doing, man? We doing the video. Yo, alright, let's put the dudes over here, right? Let's put Flash over here. Let the camera guy, you know what I'm saying, get good footage of all the characters
Feels
in
good,
line.
Dad.
That's right.
Alright.
So what y'all think about these dudes, man?
Ah, I love them.
Huh?
I love them. We got the whole group of Justice League.
Who's your favorite, Matt?
Me, I love a little bit of Cyborg.
Cyborg?
And Batman because he's a cheese.
How about you? Who do you like, Chris?
Flash.
You like Flash and Barry Allen?
Who do you like that?
So you like both of these right here?
Who do you
Me,
like?
out of all of them, of course I'm gonna go with Batman and I'm gonna go with Flash. But I also like Barry Allen's style because I like he got the little backpack. He's just like a regular dude, like he's going to school. You know what I'm saying? He's being discreet. He might have his suit in his backpack. I didn't like this dude too much in the movie, Steppenwolf. I didn't like him in the movie Steppenwolf, but I do like him as the Mystery Mini. He looked pretty dope. I don't know. I would love to see a Man Bat. You know what I'm saying? And I would love to see a Man Bat in one of those Justice League movies. Not in the Justice League, but in the Batman movie. I would like to see a Man Bat. I would also love to see a random Joker.
Daddy, everybody's here.
Oh, wait, by the way, that movie's coming out, right? Did they give me
Which movie?
The Joker by himself. We're gonna watch that.
That was some rumors. They were saying that they were gonna make a new Joker movie by himself, and Leonardo DiCaprio was gonna play the Joker. I don't know how true that is. Hopefully it gets on and popping because Leonardo DiCaprio as the Joker would be badass. You know what I'm saying? Because first of all, he's a great actor. Second of all, he got great hair, and third of all, he got that smile. You know what I'm saying? He got the smile.
But who is this guy?
You don't know him, but I gotta put you on. He did a lot of movies. He was in we gotta see Titanic one day. You gonna like Titanic,
Oh,
man.
God,
That's a great movie. I thought it was whack too when it first came out, but when I went to the movie theaters to see it when it did come out, it was an awesome movie, Titanic. You know what I'm saying? So it's something that they're working on, the Joker.
It's Venom.
They got Tom Hardy playing Venom. You know what I'm saying? They got a solo movie with Tom Hardy playing Venom. I can't wait for that too. But let's get back to DC because we're not even talking about Marvel right now. We're talking about DC mystery minis. You know what I'm saying? We open the Thor Ragnarok joints. They are from Marvel.
And the Justice League.
And the Justice League from
Hey,
DC.
get in here.
And these mysteries are pretty dope. You know what
I
I'm
wish
saying?
we could have gotten Hulk. Hulk would be good.
Yeah, Hulk would be dope. You know what I'm saying? Hulk would be dope. And that's it, y'all. But how you guys enjoy the unboxing?
Yes, of course
Yeah,
I did.
me too. Yo, give me 5. Kid. Good job on the unboxing. Mystery Minis in the house. Pop vultures. We did our thing. You know what I'm saying? For the cast on YouTube. Yo, thumb the videos up, subscribe, share, and comment, my
Yeah,
people.
because I think
Cool.
we need more subscribers now because we only have the same amount.
I can't hear you.
But we don't have a lot of subscribers. Like, we still have the same amount.
We
need
have
to raise
subscribers.
some up.
We got some people supporting our channel.
We do?
Yeah, man. What?
I like Justice League people.
I like them too,
There might
man.
be time on the camera, so once you heard.
No doubt. We're going to start wrapping it up. Say peace out to the people on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? YouTube, thank you for once again joining us. Stay tuned for more Pop Punch, collectible videos, reviews, and probably some more mystery minis, my people. Peace. One love.